let's look at how we can add extra input fields to our subscribe form. So we can see at the moment we're already asking for an email address, but perhaps we want to ask for the person's name as well. So to do this, click on Content, and you can see here, this option here is an input field. Let's click and drag, and let's drop it, say, just before the email address. Okay, we've added our second input field. If we mouse over it and click on the Edit button, we can now customize it. So let's ask for their name. And we can also choose which column to map this to inside your email blaster. Click on Map To and select First Name. So when someone adds their name and they're added to your mailing list, their name will be automatically stored in the first name field in your mailing list. You can optionally make this a forced field. At the moment, it's selected No, so you can click on the subscribe button without completing this field. If we click on Yes, you can't submit this form until this form field has also been completed. This makes it a compulsory forced field. When you're done making your edits, click on Save and Close.